Have you ever been in a situation where your partner tried to convince you not to use a condom? It can be a really awkward and uncomfortable moment. You might feel confused, pressured, or unsure of what to say or do. It's a common experience, but that doesn't make it any less difficult to handle. Knowing how to navigate this conversation is a powerful skill for your health and well-being. Let's talk about what to do if you find yourself in this situation. First, it's important to understand why someone might not want to use a condom. Sometimes they might say things like it reduces sensation or that it ruins the moment. Others might try to reassure you by saying they are clean or have been tested. A surprising fact is that even if someone has been tested recently, many STIs don't show up on tests for weeks or even months after exposure. Then there's emotional pressure. They might say things like, "If you loved me, you would trust me." This is a form of manipulation, using your feelings to get what they want. It's crucial to remember that your feelings and safety are valid. Your partner's reasons, whatever they are, do not override your right to protect your health. So, what can you do? The first step is to stay calm and firm. Your decision to use a condom is not up for debate or negotiation. You can prepare some clear and simple responses. A straightforward, "I'm not comfortable having sex without a condom," is a powerful and complete sentence. You don't owe anyone a long explanation. Your no is enough. Remember, it's about your body and your health. If they push back, you can reinforce your boundary. Try saying something like, "My health is important to me, and this is what I need to feel safe." This shifts the focus from their pleasure to your safety, which is a non-negotiable boundary. It frames the choice as a matter of personal well-being, not a judgment of them. Let's look at some common pressure lines and how to respond. If they say, "It doesn't feel as good," you can reply, "There are many types of condoms, like ultra-thin ones, that we can try to find one we both like. There are so many options available today." A 2017 study published in the journal PLOS ONE actually found that, for many people, condom use did not have a significant negative impact on their reported pleasure. If they say, "I'm clean, I've been tested," you can respond, "That's great, but I still prefer to use a condom for my peace of mind. It's my personal rule." This makes it about your policy, not about a lack of trust in them. It's a simple, firm boundary. What if they use emotional pressure, like, "Don't you trust me?" A good response is, "This isn't about trust. This is about both of us being responsible for our health. Using a condom is how we care for each other." This reframes the conversation from trust to mutual care and responsibility. True respect in a relationship means honoring each other's boundaries, especially when it comes to health. The number of excuses people use can be surprising, but your response can always come back to your core boundary. If the pressure continues, it's a major red flag. Someone who truly respects you and cares about you will not pressure you to do something that makes you feel unsafe. In this situation, the best and safest option might be to stop what you're doing. You can say, "I'm not feeling comfortable with this pressure, so maybe we should just stop for now." It is completely okay to end the encounter. Your safety is more important than anyone else's temporary pleasure or demands. Remember, consent must be enthusiastic and ongoing. If you feel pressured, you are not giving enthusiastic consent. It's a powerful act of self-respect to walk away from a situation where your boundaries are not being honored. You always have the right to say no at any point. Thinking about these situations ahead of time can make it easier to respond in the moment. Practice saying your responses out loud so they feel natural. Having this confidence can make all the difference. It's about empowering yourself to prioritize your health and well-being without apology. For more helpful guides and educational content, be sure to follow and subscribe to Sex Education Repo.